Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if your Pixel 10 Pro is overheating. Okay, so let's begin by the fact that it is normal if your phone is heating sometimes, especially in moments when you're charging it, especially if you're using fast charging or wireless charging. That's gonna be normal. Also, it's gonna be extremely normal to overheat if you're using the phone while charging. So that's what I would expect. But if you think that the heat on your phone is a bit excessive, then first you should go to the settings and then go to the battery. Now go to battery usage, and now you'll see different apps here. And if you think that some of those apps shouldn't use as much battery as they do, then probably they are causing the heat. So they may be running in the background. And how to check whether an app is running in the background? Simply see here that it says screen time and background. Screen time is in my case 6 minutes on Photos app, but background is 25. And I don't really want to stop background usage for Google Photos because I know it's uploading everything to the cloud and doing stuff, so I don't really want to interrupt that. But for some apps, I don't really think that background activity is that needed, like for example for my Lightroom. So if I want, I can just disable background usage, and now it's not gonna use anymore performance in the background. And then when it uses performance in the background, then it is clear that there is some sort of problem with it. And yeah, now let's get to another thing here. Is that when it like overheats during a certain app being open, like for example Instagram, because Instagram is actually one of the most like popular apps that have bad heat organization, whatever. Really, it's just badly optimized, and honestly, you can probably see it if you use Instagram for a pretty long time. So if it's overheating during using Instagram or any other app, just within that app and not anywhere else, then you know that app is the problem and there's nothing to do about it. But there's some other things that you can do. So as I said earlier, you should try avoiding using your phone while charging, especially when, for example, gaming. You should also check for your charger and a cable. If it overheats during charging, make sure that your charger and the cable are genuine, so they do not cause any problems, because in genuine a charger doesn't have to be originally from Google, but it has to be from a reputable brand, because chargers from non-reputable brands tend to have bad like, you know, the power they output is unequal, and your phone has to equalize it by turning some of the excessive power into heat. So the power that is being delivered to your phone is very static, and all the things that go just above or beyond the staticness of your power, they need to be somehow equalized. Now, also it is worth making sure that your case doesn't cause any issues. If you have a very thick case or a case made from some materials that may interrupt the heat dissipation, then they also may need to get removed, especially in hot weather. And when we're speaking about weather, yeah, if you're having your phone exposed to heat, then there's nothing you can do besides just getting your phone out of the sun, because the sun is gonna make your phone really hot, and you don't really want that. Remember that your phone being very hot will damage your battery. Of course, not immediately, but over time, if it gets exposed to heat frequently, it's gonna get very bad, right? So you should try to avoid that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.